Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is match the same numbers. Playgroup class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. Playgroup class, do you know what is the name of this digit? The name of this digit is 1. This is the digit 1. And we will match the digit 1 with the same digit like this. The next digit is 2. This is the digit 2. We will match the digit 2 with the same digit like this. The next digit is 3. This is the digit 3. And we will match the digit 3 with the same digit like this.